So here I have my original Nintendo NES from 1985 Christmas. I have everything, it's over on the other thing, but I get the 72 pin loader error, which is you turn the power on, it just blinks, which means anything down in there, I'm going to try to take that out, clean it, see if it fires up. Okay. Little project while other things are printing. I do want to play this again. Let's put the screws in. Damn, oops. The old expansion. Alright. So. I can get in there a little bit better, but not great, so I'm gonna go blow this out. Get this off. This right here. So all that. I don't feel like taking apart the tray. You know, I mean, some look.
The world's most clinically validated personal EKG. With KardioMobile, you can take a medical grade EKG in just 30 seconds from anywhere, and it's able to detect 3 of the most common arrhythmias.
They look alright. It's the only thing I could think of, unless something else is worse. Well, let's try to clean it up first. Just found another problem, and on one of my controllers, broken pin, and it's on my original controller. Doesn't that just stink? Well, parts. I do have my other two originals, but can't play it with this piece stuck in me, so let's try to get her out. Alright, I guess tweezers might be the best. There we go. That was easy. Feels kind of loose in there. Yep. Alright, let's, ow! Oh, we just kicked, I think. Let's go, and I'm not kidding, it really didn't work, but it just seems like I might have to buy the new 72 pin. But hold on. Okay. There we go. Blinking. Yes. Just a dirty connector from, I guess, 35 years. Alright, let's put it back together. And then check out the controllers. Because I do have I went and I grabbed all my old NES games with the instruction manuals, right? And of course, I don't have nowhere near the games I had back in the day. A lot of lending them out to people you never get them back. Okay. There we go. There's this rest of what I have along with a NES Advantage. But here we're gonna see how this works. Please don't give me. Now, let's see this controller.